तस्यारविन्दनयनस्य पदारविन्दं किञ्जल्कमिश्रतुलसीमकरन्दवायुः अन्तर्गतस्वविवरेण चकार तेषां संक्षोभमक्षरजुषामपि चित्ततन्वो. This will not happen if we are not anasuyave. Only when we are anasuyave, then will be the bhakti adhikara. Only then the fragrance of a pure devotee, Tulsi Devi, enters into the heart and the Namaruchi comes. Cheto Darpanamarchanam Bhavamahadavagni Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jeevanam Anandambudivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. This is Sri Sikshashtakam. He's all again Bhakti Adhikara. Because Chetodarpanamarjana means coming to the platform of Krishna. Krishna, 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 and Krishna, and Krishna, and Krishna, and Krishna. Inside out, outside in, all the time, everywhere, no matter what. That's Chetodarpanamarjanam. To come to that platform of Krishna. How will that happen? With Aparadha Bhakti, when there is Asuya in the heart? It will not. We have to become Anasuya way. Only then the Bhakti starts. Anasuya way. We will not have the Shakti to become Anasuya way. It's not ordinary. Even to hear about it is a great fortune. To hear about Anasuya way. What to speak of the purity that is needed, the Shakti that is needed to be Anasuya way. It is not in our zone. Oh, हमारी बस की बात नहीं to become Anasuya way. But we have to know that that is the qualification even for the Namaruchi. Anasuya way is not being intolerant to others' superiority. Not being intolerant. We shouldn't have that intolerance to anybody around for their superiority. It means let them be in a higher position. Yes, I agree. Okay, yes, because I'm in a receiver's mode. I need mercy. So let them be up there. Let them give me the mercy and I will receive it. That's Anasuya way. Only then all that comes when we hear when there is mercy, when there is mercy of your pure-hearted soul, everything happens. Anasuya way gives us Namaruchi. नाम्नामकारि बहुधां निज सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पितानि कालम् एतदृशी तव कृप भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमित्रशमिह जनिनानुरागम्. When the heart is Anasuya way, then the mind will not go anywhere. It will stay with the Nama. It will want to get attached to the Nama, and the attachment to the Nama happens quickly when there is no Asuya. When the heart is Anasuya way. Trinadapi sunichena tarorevasaheshnuna amani namanadin kirtaniya sada ring. Glorify, kirtaniya sada ring. Always glorify. Glorify Bhagavan, glorify Bhakti, glorify Bhakta, glorify everything that is given to us. Be a bumblebee, seeing everything good around, everywhere good around. Then Kirtaniya Sada Hari happens. नदनं न जनं न सुन्दरीं कवितां वाचकदेशकामयें मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वर भवता भक्त्या हेतुके त्वयि. That's the taste for loving devotional service to Bhagavan. Bhavatat bhaktya hetuke tvaye. Yeah, that's actually very practical even in this mortal frame. Bhavatat bhaktya hetuke tvaye. That should be our very fuel to perform our Naimittika Dharma. Nitya Dharma should not be a goal. Nitya Dharma is our very occupation, eternal occupation. Nitya Dharma, loving service to Bhagavan, is our very occupation. Of course, material responsibilities, they will be done very nicely when we are situated in our Nitya Dharma. Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Yeah. Ayi Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishaming Bhavam Buddha. Kripayang Tava Pada Pankajastita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya. Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Then Nayanam Galadashrudharaya Vadanam Gadgadarudhaya Giram Pulakairnichitairvapukada Namagrahane Bhavishyati. These are the tears rolling down from the spiritual body. Not the sentimental tears, but the spiritual tears rolling down from the spiritual body. Then Yugayitam nimishena chakshusha pravarshyayitam shunyaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena aslishya vapadaratam pinastumam adarshanam marmahatam karopuvam yada tatha vidadhatulam patum Matprananathastu sayevana paraham. We should think that this body is meant for pure devotion, not for bhakti aparadha, but for pure devotion, loving service to Bhagavan. So we should hear and think and pray and beg for bhakti adhikar. That's the way to come out from bhakti aparadha. So, mat prananadasta. Shri Harinam Prabhu, Gopinatha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshastakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Taramadya Sarvasreshtham Nama Sankirtanam Niraparadham Namalele Paye Premadhana. We cannot come to Niraparadhanama with our own mind, with our own plans and thinkings and understanding. Niraparadhanama happens when there is Bhakti Adhikara. That's why it's important to hear about that. And then pray so Bhakti Adhikara can come and Niraparadhanama will happens through the morning prayers. Atayeva nama matram Vaishnavera dharma Name prasputita vile Nirupa guna karma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Prem se Krishna, Shri Advaita Gadadhar, Shri Harinam, Shri Sikshastakam, Acharya.